We're on our way!
Yeah, to our new villain headquarters!
Who's ready to finish our plan and take over PJ Masks headquarters?
We are! Well, looky, what have we got here? The villains are the ones who finally get to cheer. We trap the PJ Masks, we're the ones on top. There's nothing they can do. We can't be stopped. Let's march. Whoa! Let's march. Whoa! Everybody on the floor. Let's march. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We caught your little gecko, it was easy to do.
We're coming after Catboy and Owlette too. We're the best, we're supreme, you know it's true.
We're taking over PJ Masks
HQ. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me who we're marching for. The villains. The villains. 5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate? The villains. The villains. Let's march. Whoa. Let's march. Whoa. Let's everybody on the floor. Let's march. 2, 3, 4. Let's march. Let's march. Let's march. Let's march.
Pleasant morning, Super Dragon Ball Hero Fighters.
We're on our way!
Yeah, to our new villain headquarters!
Who's ready to finish our plan and take over PJ Masks headquarters?
We are! Well, looky, what have we got here?
We're gonna
the
draw
villains are the ones who finally get to
Kid Fuse
cheer.
and
We
True
trap the
Form.
PJ Masks, we're the ones on top. There's nothing they can do. We can't be
This was the
stopped.
transformation he
Let's
took on in the final battle.
Whoa. Let's march. Whoa. Everybody
It was
on the
against
floor.
Regular and Zeno Gogeta.
We caught your little gecko, it was easy to do.
Another thing about this guy,
We're coming after Catboy and Owlette too. We're the best.
he merged with
we're
Doki
supreme.
Doki
You know it's true.
in order to become this guy. If you saw his first form, then
you
you were happy to draw that in the meantime. After
5,
this,
6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate? The villains.
oh, and also,
Let's march.
even though he looks like one, deep down,
Let's march.
View is just a kid. Yeah.
Everybody on the floor. Let's march. 2, 3, 4.
Created by Toa and Mira.
Let's march.
Even though they're his parents.
Let's march. Let's march.
Can't wait to see what
Let's
if he
march.
returns, if he comes back. That'd be something.
We're on our way.
Yeah, to our new villain headquarters!
Who's ready to finish our plan and take over PJ Masks headquarters?
We are! Well, looky, what have we got here? The villains are the ones who finally get to cheer. We trap the PJ Masks, we're the ones on top. There's nothing they can do. We can't be stopped. Let's march. Whoa! Let's march. Whoa! Everybody on the floor. Let's march. 2, 3, 4.
We caught your little gecko, it was
His
easy
wings
to
can
do.
create this storm.
We're the best, we're supreme, you know it's true.
Well,
We're
it can
taking
shoot
over
darts
PJ Masks.
like pin missiles.
HQ. 2, 3, 4. Tell me who we're marching for. The villains. The villains.
Like some
5,
girl
6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate? The villains. The villains. Let's march. Whoa.
Just a kid with some baggy pants.
Whoa.
Everybody on that's his other wing.
Let's march. 2, 3, 4.
Don't you just hate it when bad guys attempt to win? When they always suck?
Let's march.
All the
Let's march.
Dragon Ball fighters always do their best to win, but they always fail. They always fucking fail.
We're on our way.
Yeah,
Anyways, here's
to
his
our
last
new
feather.
villain headquarters!
And
Who's ready
finished.
to finish our
That is how
plan
you
and
draw
take over
Kid
PJ
Boo's
Masks
true form.
headquarters?
Megazord, see you later. That's all for now.
Looky, looky, what have we got here?
I'm really excited to see what new
for
Dragon Ball
to
characters
share.
are drawn
We track
next.
the PJ Masks with the ones
Well,
on
here,
top.
the
There's
playlist is
nothing they can
endless.
do.
Yeah, I'm
We
really
can't be
excited.
stopped. Let's march